When I walk in your shoes, I understand a man confused. They're much too big, but I don't care. I feel the weight your shoulders bear. Now I really empathize, looking through your bloodshot eyes. And I know you so frustrated, but we all become what we once hated. Besides, nobody can be that wise. I can't help you if you won't help yourself. No, I can't help you if you don't help yourself. You can only get so much from someone else. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. Though I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Oh, I'm saving all my love for you. For you. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. En meestal gaan mensen dan meedoen. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. Maar ja, dan wordt er geoefend in zo'n theater. Hè? No, I can't help you if you don't help yourself. Laatste keer. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. When all the world is a hopeless jumble and the raindrops tumble all around, heaven opens a magic lane. When all the clouds darken up the skyway, there's a rainbow highway to be found, leading from your window pane to a place behind the sun, just a step beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, then oh why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh why